here it goes, guys, the final train of the day, which is going to be a northern service from wherever it is. I think it's Saltburn, I think it is, to Darlington. £158,790. And in she goes. Yes, guys. Overall, this station is a really lovely station, guys. It's in the industrial area, so when there's a lot of freight due, just make sure it's not requested. It is a beautiful station, and overall it is a 10 out of 10, and I will happily, guys, come back for another session and obviously bring you guys along. So thank you very much for joining us here at Middlesbrough, and until next time, guys, see you on the next one. Bye bye.